The Philippine Eagle Center, Davao City. The Philippine Eagle Center is located in Malagos, Baguio District, Davao City, Davao del Sur. The Philippine Eagle Center is run by the Philippine Eagle Foundation. It is situated on an 8-hectare property located at the foothills of Mount Apo. The center operates as a conservation breeding facility of the endangered Philippine eagle. The Philippine eagle is one of the biggest eagle species in the world. It is also the official national bird of the Philippines. The center is also home to a variety of animals endemic to the Philippines. Each animal enclosure is labeled with this informative visual board. Some of the biggest crocodiles in the world are found in the Philippines. Pag-asa is the first eagle to be successfully bred and hatched in captivity. This is a juvenile eagle called sinag. Its wingspan can reach up to 2 meters or 7 feet, the broadest in the world. The Philippine eagle is critically endangered and less than 1,000 of them are left in the wild. An eagle sexually matures between 5 to 7 years, and each pair produces a single of egg every 2 years. The eagles fall to poachers, and the ongoing deforestation kills them and their habitat. Some of the eagles here were rescued from the illegal activities and are recovering from the injuries. I hope you've learned something in this video, so let's help and save the Philippine eagle.